Hello, my name is Terrence Giles. I'm coming to you live here in Little Rock, Arkansas. Hashtag replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from, just in case you catch this video after I posted it, and I will send you a shout out. Thank you so much for tuning in. I just wanted to get on here and tell you about this amazing platform that I am a part of. This is a platform where you can earn passive income without recruiting. I'm going to say it again. Without recruiting, which means you do not have to pick up your phone, call anyone, beg friends or family members, or spam your link in emails or messenger. This platform requires no recruiting. 90% of the work is done for you in the background, 10% your part. The 10% of your part is following the instructions that the creator has laid out in the training, step-by-step training that is very easy, that even middle schoolers and high schoolers can come in and pick this up and learn it and run with it and earn. This is a platform you can learn and earn at the same time, but you must put in that 10%, which is going to require your participation. And I wanted to share that with you because I know that many times prospects look at information and are worried about how many people do I have to bring in? I have to get 1, 2, or 3. This is a platform you do not have to do that. Again, no recruiting. 90% of the work is done for you in the background, 10% on your part. And I wanted to share that with you. And I'm also going to give you a little bit of my testimony. I have earned altogether a little over 2 months we've been in business, $1,600. The very first week I earned $400. And the funny thing is about the $400, when I was in another platform, I earned $400 the whole year. But to earn it in 1 week with a program that is laid out and designed for you to win, because you're earning while you learn, that is so amazing. We have a free Facebook group where you can come in, review the information, see the different testimonials, see all the positivity in the group. Just read information about the online business to see if it's a good fit for you. But I'm here to tell you, after you review the information, you're going to be so amazed at the results that you see that others, like myself and many of my teammates, are winning. Again, the creator has laid out everything for you that a newbie can come in and follow the training with no issues. You don't have to know everything to work online. Again, I said newbie friendly, which means you don't have to have any experience because you are going to be trained by the step-by-step videos. And also we have a team environment that is like family. We help each other because when one win, we all win. Again, when one win, we all win. And that's what we're here for, to help push, boost, encourage each other, because this is a team environment. Again, you can reach out to me in my inbox. You can drop a comment in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to send the information to you. You can also request to be added to the Facebook group. It's above my link on my Facebook profile. You will see it above my featured banner, and you will be added to the group and you can review the information. But again, this program requires no recruiting. And I'm going to say this about recruiting. It's a good feeling when you come into a business and you do not have to recruit. And that is letting you know that the recruiting part, the hard part, and the weight of that is taken off your back. Guys, you cannot ask for anything more amazing. 90% of the work done in the background, 10% your part. That's over half of the work done for you. Again, you just have to do the part, do your 10% by following instructions, and you'll succeed. Very easy. So again, my name is Terrence Giles. Hashtag replay. Let me know where you're tuning in from. You can drop a comment in the comments section. I'll be more than glad to share the information with you. And I look forward to hearing from you. Until then, have a good one.